Okay, so now we've built the edge model, but let's visualize it and see how it actually looks like. So here we have a graph view where we can really in detail look at this generated model and understand how the memory is being used and what different network layers it consists of and so forth. So if we start looking at, we'll order everything by layer here. We see that we first have our sliding window function, and here we have boxes for all the different functions and all the different memory accesses. And then we see that after the sliding window, we have a batch normalization layer, we have a convolutional layer, another batch normalization layer, and so forth. Different activation functions. And the cool thing here is that you can go on and hover these different boxes and actually see the generated C code. So you can really get a good understanding on what will actually be running on your target device. And you also get a good feel for the complexity here of the model. So at the end here we see that we have two LSTM, long short-term memory layers, which is quite complex. So this is a quite advanced, quite deep model that got generated here.
Cool.
And we're also able to structure this by function, and then we'll able to see, get understanding for how this would be integrated into the firmware. So first we have a simple init function initializing the model, and then we have an enqueue function for enqueuing sensor data into the model, and then the queue function, which when the window is full will execute, and here we see that
that's the window, right?
That's where the magic happens, where it actually
it looks like a map
network layers are.
Looks like a map of the, like the M25 Interpass. Some kind of railway.
And here we can also get more details. We can look at all the working memory being used. We can also look at all the flash being used throughout the model. Okay.